Hey, part two. I'll get this fuel line. I'll get it attached. Just go back and forth with it until it goes all the way up, and you stop. Now, this is going to be a little messy. I want to take my pliers and kind of twist this hose around, get it broke loose from the plastic. And the rubber and plastic, they'll form like a bond. You know, they stick together. But and then I'll gently pull this off. There we go. Now we don't want to lose all our gas. Now, what I like to do now is I take the new one and I'll go ahead and get it on and get it mounted. I just about pushed that one all the way in. Let me, I'm gonna have to take my hand off here. Let's see, I might be able to do it like this. Yeah, I put the camera between my knees. Alright. And do it like that. Twist it. And see, you can see it's flush now, so that's good. Alright, you still don't want to put the clip on yet. Now, we're going to take and we're going to twist the filter. I don't know if you can see this. We're going to twist the filter and gently pull it off. Alright, now there's our old filter. Now let's get the new filter and put it in. Oh, dropped the camera. Oh, sorry about that. But anyway, take and get that in quick as you can. Save as much gas as you can. As high as it's getting right now, it's outrageous. But anyway, I changed all that. Now I'm going to put the clips back on. Alright, there's that clip. These clips, these factory clips, are a lot stronger than them new ones. I'll just tell you that. And I can prove it to you. It takes pretty good pressure to squeeze these clips. I mean, well, it ain't a lot, but it's stronger than those little keepers they give me. There we go. Now, we've got everything clamped back down. We'll go ahead and put this back in, this fuel line back in that refuge, or that holder. And that's how you do change a fuel pump and a fuel filter on a John Deere 120. I'm not sure the year on it. It's probably about 15-20 years old. I'm not sure. It's a buddy of mine's. He let me borrow it. My rear end went out of my L125 and I borrowed his, and now the rear end's out of his. I never even finished mowing my grass with it, as you can tell. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. God bless.